Are you looking for the best tree stands? Then you are welcome our RS Store channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best tree stands that are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Summit Viper South Dakota Climbing Tree Stand. It's hard to argue, Summit is the king of tree stands, and they've been undefeated for years now. After testing 7 models on our own, we can attest to the fine-tuned craftsmanship that Summit puts into everything. From the lightweight, 20.0 pounds, aluminum frame, right on down to the quietly moving parts, when you scoot around in the seat, Summit Viper South Dakota hits home on all fronts. The key points are there, but a few inconsistencies revolve around the paint quality along the footrest and the all-inclusive shoulder straps being a bit generic. You'll be comfortable up to 300 pounds without dead leg, pins and needles, or stiff joints when you climb down for the day. Summit looks like it's going to hold the crown for a long time, and we can't wait to continue relying on them for hunting trips. Key features: padded seats, back and armrest for comfort. Quick draw cable retention system and rapid climbing stirrups. Adjustable for gun and bow hunting. Dead metal sound deadening technology. Lightweight, weighs just about 20 pounds and can support a weight of up to 300 pounds. Pros: built for 8+ hour days with no aching joints or stiffness. Quiet, even when you move around a bit. Includes harness, bungee, and more. Number 2. ZOP Xtreme Outdoor. Foregoing a little of the luxuries, like a backrest, can have its advantages. The minimalist design of the ZOP Xtreme Vanish hang on a tree stand makes it quite light for a heavy-duty hunting tree stand with an incredible 350-pound weight-bearing capacity. It is also a little cheaper than others that display the same level of durable quality. If you thought that a solid, cast aluminum, ultra-tough hunting tree stand cannot cost less than $200, think again. That's what first struck me about the ZOP Xtreme. It's up there with the best of them in terms of rough and ready durability, but not quite as expensive. The only thing that you're not getting out of the deal is the comfort of a backrest. On the plus side, the thickly padded, tri-layer seat is remarkably comfortable to sit on for prolonged periods. Aluminum makes it lightweight and durable, and the I-beam structure is as rigid and strong as it gets. Despite being ultimately compact and lightweight, 20 pounds, it can hold a whopping 350 pounds. The uniquely rigid design means absolutely no sound, and it has a strong, large platform 27x19 inches. This is one of the most easy hang-on tree stands to use, with their Vanish XT Quick Connect cable system. The seat remains perfectly level and the platform can be angled for any situation. You can find the ideal cover in any type of tree, no matter where the branches or the angle of the trunk. Judging by my initial impressions and the views expressed in the many customer reviews that I've read, this is a truly amazing hunting tree stand. The seat is superbly comfortable thanks to seriously generous padding, albeit with no backrest. It's ultra strong and totally silent. You really couldn't ask for more. While this is not a particularly cheap product, in the context of high-end hunting tree stands, it's very affordable. Number 3. Lone Wolf Assault 2 Hang-On Tree Stand. Number 1 for portability is the biggest pro point for anyone considering the Lone Wolf 2 hang-on hunting tree stand. It is also as tough as it gets, ranking amongst the best high-end hunting tree stands. This places it in the more expensive category of hunting products. This is not surprising when you consider that Lone Wolf is an industry leader with a sterling reputation going back more than 2 decades. Intended to be the most portable hang-on tree stand available, the guys at Lone Wolf have certainly done their job. The Lone Wolf Assault 2 weighs only 11 pounds. This portability does not compromise on the weight-bearing capacity. At 350 pounds, this is one of the best hang tree stands for heavy weights. Using top-quality aluminum has its advantages. The Lone Wolf Assault 2 is as lightweight as it gets, incredibly solid, and perfectly quiet. Though the compact, lightweight design also has a slight downside. The seat, although big enough, 14x12, is not the most comfortable. Apart from having no backrest, the padding is not that great. The seat has a fixed height of 21. If you're going to be sitting for long periods, the seat base could become somewhat annoying. Then again, when shedding those extra pounds, they had to make a few compromises on comfort. Though limited padding for the seat as far as they've gone in this respect. The platform is strong and big enough at 26x19.5. This single-piece cast aluminum platform is both perfectly rigid and makes no sound. Other than this, it is on a par with any of the best hang-on tree stands. Number 4. River's Edge Tree Stands. The River's Edge Tree Stands collection comprises a number of very affordable products. Although the Xtreme Lounger is one of their more expensive, range-topping hang-on tree stands, it is cheaper than one would expect. Value for money is the name of the game, and this is the product that we'll be reviewing. The Xtreme XL has the goods to compete with the high-end hunting tree stands without an exorbitant price tag. When I say that the River's Edge Xtreme XL can compete with more expensive hunting tree stands, we need to take into account that it is quite a bit cheaper than the more prestigious brands and is probably not quite as solid. With that said, this is not a flimsy tree stand. The all-metal platform and seat are good quality. All the customer reviews attest to the general quality as being great. Slightly heavier than many of the others in this review, the Xtreme XL is still light enough at 26 pounds. Your general comfort is great. It has a strong seat with a padded backrest and armrests. The seat has no height adjustment though. The standard seat height of 22 doesn't bother me too much, but this won't work for everyone. The armrests both fold up, which is nice. At 37.5 x 24, the platform is large enough, and the seat is also quite roomy, 20.5 x 13. The footrest at the end of the platform helps a lot for that extra bit of comfort when sitting for hours. If you're looking for the best value for money hunting tree stand, the Xtreme XL should top the list. Number 5. Millennium M150 Monster Hang-On Hunting Tree Stand. Very simple to mount and comfortable as can be, Millennium put their best efforts to the test, and we'd have to say that they passed with flying colors. We were skeptical to try one reviewer's test, but we bounced up and down on the thing, and it didn't make a single noise, making it optimal for hunting conditions, including human error and the occasional seat adjustment. Speaking of adjustments, there's a slight and very specific issue. It adjusts perfectly fine, but the knob is touchy and is easy to pop off and drop down to the forest floor if you're not careful. If you're going with the Millennium M150 Monster, try to set up your spot as reasonably close to your parking as possible. It's a bit awkward to carry. Once it's positioned, you'll be seriously amazed at the comfort and quiet components. The Millennium Treestands M150 Monster is about as close to perfection as one can get in a hang-on tree hunting stand. With excellent adjustments and a full backrest for the seat, few can compare when it comes to comfort. It's tough, super tough, yet lightweight and compact enough to be as portable as it gets. Being a top-of-the-line product from one of the best brands in the business, it sure isn't cheap. Though anyone who owns one will agree, it's worth every penny. Pros: you can jump up and down on it, and it won't make noise. Extremely comfortable, cuts down on fatigue and aches. Simple to secure to the tree. I hope you liked this video. If you liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like, share and comment on the video. Please enable your notifications bell icon so that you don't miss the next videos. You can check the price or purchase link in the description below.